Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I greet you all according to your time. If it is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate you for your massive support. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos, and that's a huge support to this channel. My dear viewers, this is a news channel and we drop news on daily basis, and we also react to any videos that comes our way. So I will be watching today's video with you. Let's just watch together. After watching, drop your opinion at the comment section. Please do it constructively, like our videos, and also share our videos if possible. See you next in my next video. For me to you for now is bye.
On the 26th of this month, we want to first of all make sure that the awareness is created all over the world. We're also looking to see how the paid advertisement on local medias, we want to begin to see the paid advertisement. We want to see the paid advertisement in Canada. We want to see paid advertisement in the United Kingdom. We want to see paid advertisement in the US. We want to see paid advertisement in part of the European Union. We will be also working on the wordings of the advertisement. Those who have the ability, possibility to create wonderful and mind-blowing jingles, advertisement, I am open to receive your ideas. I am open to receive your ideas. I am open to receive your ideas of the kind of advertisement we are going to put out there. I have been receiving these ideas, yes, quite all right. I have received a couple of wonderful ideas on the wording, the manner, and the pattern of this advertisement, what it should be. I am using this opportunity to call on you, those of you in the media field, those of you in advertisement and marketing, those of you who have the ability and capacity to make jingles that will attract the people to come up and suggest, bring a proposal, and this proposal should be sent to my email. So we will work on it. This is very urgent. I want to see your proposal to be sent to this email, info@ekpa.fi. When this proposal is sent, we are going to make sure we look for appropriate person or somebody that is very suitable, who will speak in the language that the people we are going to advertise, or the country where the advertisement will take place, will be able to understand very well. So we are looking for you to participate in creating this awareness in solidarity with our leader, in solidarity with Biafrans, solidarity with Ipob worldwide, solidarity with lovers of freedom. So I use this opportunity to call our wonderful brothers and sisters all over the world to come up with what you think should be the best way to have this message to pass this message across to everybody in the world. We want a jingle. I have also, let me read out to you one of the suggestions that comes so that you will have a picture of what we are looking for. It is time we put our heads together to make the best of advertisement for the freedom of Nnamdi Kanu and for the freedom of our people. I'm going to read this proposal from one of our brother, very brilliant one, and that is to tell you what exactly we will be expecting from you. One moment.
Attention, attention. IPOB, one family. This announcement is for those outside of the USA that wish to donate to the Eastern Security Network Fund that is based in the United States. Because of the fees that donators have to pay the bank when sending wires, we recommend that if you're sending less than $250, that you donate through the IPOB USA website. It's fast, simple, and less expensive for you. Go to our website, www.ipobinusa.org/donate. That is www.ipobinusa.org/donate and make your contribution. When it comes to keeping our people safe, every bit counts. After all, the security of our communities is our responsibility. Let's make this happen together.
Now, let me read to you the type of advertisement we will be looking at. This advertisement will be converted into video, and we want it in all local news, all local television in the United Kingdom, in the United States, in the EU, and most of the country where we have presence of IPOB and Biafrans. One of our brother have sent a very good proposal of what it should look like. Now we share it with you. This proposal reads, can you believe that a British citizen was kidnapped in Kenya, grossly mishandled, and handed over to a hostile nation in Africa without due process? You know, when this kind of jingle is coming through the video with a beautiful lady's voice and probably a beautiful lady as well from the UK or from US, and with the news and flashing the picture of Nnamdi Kanu in handcuff. And this person suggests that the jingle should also include, after the first message is passed, yes, you heard me right. In fact, I am still in shock, just as you are right now. For a bounty of 100 million, the Kenyan government connived with the Nigerian government for the abduction and illegal extradition of a British citizen to Nigeria. As a matter of fact, the victim denounced his country, the Nigeria citizenship, long time ago. Mr. Nnamdi Kanu is not in any way or from the British Interpol crime or from the British or from the Interpol crime list. This abuse of human rights and international law has gone on for weeks, yet there has not been a peep from the British authorities. Of course, now we have seen moves being made by the British Parliament. We have seen that the British Parliament has debated it, but we need to put this fire burning in every mind and every soul in Britain. We want to see the locals who are the one going out to vote the MPs to begin to understand what is going on in Africa. They don't have knowledge about it. If the British government cannot protect its citizens, who else can? For this reason, my heart bleeds, and I call on all freedom lovers in the United Kingdom, the EU, the US, and beyond to share this video and call on your respective authority to intervene in the case as soon as possible. This is a crime against humanity. The Kenya-Nigeria government reason for this inhuman action is too long and cannot be covered in the short video. For more details, you do this and do that. So this is one of the proposal coming from one of our brother, and we need more proposal. We need more proposal. We need more proposal from you. We need more proposal from you. We need to have a professional jingle. We need to, if you know that you know somebody who can do a great jingle from the information I pass to you now, or something similar to that, we want you to come forward. Send me your proposal. And again, that is again, somebody is surprising me. Super chat with a currency I do not know. Thank you very much, Bafa Nkiti. We are Bafa Nkiti. We are barring them in Kitty. Thank you very much, Bafa Nkiti, for that super chat. I do not know which currency is this. The Biafra people, you people are doing everything possible to support, this page. Yesterday, somebody say India rupees here. Okay, thank you very much, India. Yesterday, somebody actually made a super chat with Naira, and that was a very mind-blowing one to me. That somebody actually made Naira, and when you look at the person, he is a Biafran. That made Naira to be in super chat. I was very surprised and very shocked. So thank you, Bavankiti, for that super chat. Thank you very much also, Emeka Obunaya, for that super chat. We thank you for supporting this page. So please, this appeal is for everyone. If you know that you can do a jingle, if you know that you have idea on the content of this jingle, what you want the jingle to contain, please, we want that proposal as soon as possible. Send it today, tomorrow. Send it today, tomorrow. I've just read one to you now. You know what it means. You know what we are looking at. You know what we are looking for. We want to make it very simple, very easy, that when we push it to the media, paid advertisement I'm talking about. When we push it to the media, everybody, as you are watching your television, as you are sitting down in the evening, sipping your evening tea, watching your television, you are going to be seeing this news flashing on your local television. In the United Kingdom, you are going to be seeing this news flashing on your local television. In America, let us make it in a way it is not like political issues. It is not like going to be, it's not going to have a political coronation. And it is going to show paid for by IPOB worldwide. So Tata Jones, I want to thank you for this super chat. Thank you for supporting this page. As you are supporting the page, you are making the page running, up and running, and all the upkeep of the page, you are making it run so that any day we disappear on social media, you are going to see us. And one thing that is very, very important now is that for those who are asking, do not live stream the video. It is very, very important that we teach our people how to use their own platform. When we are going to launch our app, our social media app, our leader is going to launch it. When we are going to launch that social media app, believe me, Nigeria government, they are going to block it. So what is happening to enterbiafran.com should tell you what you should expect. So they are going to block it. They are going to block it like a block Twitter, because they know the job the social media, our social media platform is going to do. It is better than Facebook. It is better than Facebook. And we have not finished though. For those who have gone through the back door, for those who have gone through the back door to go into that app and start using it, and we have seen a lot of, we have 1,000 users now in that app without public. I do not know how people manage to go to that app. It has not been announced. So if you find yourself in that app, you keep it very secret. Do not post it anywhere on social media. Do not advertise it. We are not looking for you to advertise it. Don't post it anywhere. It must be launched and announced by our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. So we have seen people, we have seen thousands of people in that app downloading it already. And we have not announced it. And for those of you who manage to find yourself in that place, you know it is better than Facebook. It has more, even though Facebook, you know, they are in money, they can do anything and all that. So the Facebook, the app is still not finished yet. There are features that you know, you have tried to use it, it is not working. We know why it is not working. So some of the app, some of the features, we disabled it because it is not public.